Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool underground here, and basically what this is a handheld transmitter holder that's used for your Blink 500 Pro. So if you guys do have the wireless microphone from the Saramonic brand, then you can definitely use this one right here. So you can see for the top part right here, they do have the brand logo, and right here they do have the product name. So they call it the Blink 500 Pro HM. On the bottom right here, they do probably got some of the specs and features on here. So they mention how it has 1100 mAh, it has a USB-C charging port, and it has a one-click pairing option. And right here they show you guys what's included in the package. And in the back they do probably got some more specs and features about the product as well. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So first thing inside they do probably got like a user manual, and they also probably got like the warranty and also some stickers as well if you guys want to use it. And right here we do have the product, and they also probably got a bunch of accessories as well. So I'm actually got all the accessories to show you guys what's included first. So first the inside right here, you can see they probably got this accessory if you guys want to use it. So I'm assuming this accessory is probably like the mic holder if you guys want to stick it somewhere so that we can keep it all organized. So you see the back part right here, they do probably the tape where you stick it onto the wall or something. And next up right here, they probably got the USB to USB-C cable that I believe is gold plate as well. So you can definitely use that to recharge the product. And last but not least, we do have the actual product. You can see right here we do have the brand logo, and right here as well. It's actually really cool how they do probably got like the foam cover as well. So that way when you guys do use it, it looks a lot more professional. But you see right here we do have the power button for you to turn it on. If you guys open the top part, this is what the top part looks like. So you basically want to insert the wireless microphone on here, and I'll show you guys how it works in a second. But once you guys do that, you can stick it back on top like that. If you guys turn to the back, they do have a pairing button for you to pair it. And the very bottom is where you have to plug in the USB-C cable to recharge it. And that is basically everything that's on the product. So before I actually test it out, let me plug in cable to show you guys how to charge it. So right here I do have my USB-C cable. If you guys plug it in, if you can see the top part right here, they do have a red in here light to show you guys that it's charging. So I'm assuming once it's fully charged, it'll turn green. And if you guys try to turn it on, it won't turn on when you guys do have it plugged in. But once you guys unplug it, if you guys try to turn it on again, it does turn on. So that is basically how you guys charge the product. Now let's test it out to show you guys how it works. So I have two different types of like wireless microphones right here from the same brand, Saramonic. One of them allows you guys to use it with anything that's aux output, whereas the other one is lightning output. So I'm actually open up to show you guys what I mean. So if you guys open it up, this is what the inside looks like. So they probably got these three different options. And this is the one that allows you guys to connect it onto the aux. And then here is the other one. If you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. So it basically give you guys the same exact thing, but this one give you guys like a lightning output. So for this test, I'm gonna use this one right here. So the way how you guys set it up is by taking this part out, and you guys want to insert this part in. When you guys insert it in, you guys want to use the clip option like this. That way you can hold it in place. And the cool thing about the product is the fact that not only does it work as a wireless microphone option, but it also works as a charger option for you to recharge the product. So once you guys do got that set up, you guys can put this back on top. So that way the product looks a lot more professional. And then once you guys do that, you guys can connect the other side onto your device. So like I mentioned, in this case, I do have a lightning output. So I'm plugging into my iPhone. And the thing about this one is the fact that when you guys do plug it in, you guys cannot use the case on. So you need to unplug your case first. But if you guys plug it in, once you guys plug it in, here's what the product looks like in the back. And then here is the front. So what you're going to do now is connect the device together. So if you guys do need to pair it, you can definitely press the button in the back. But if you guys already have both of them connected, then you don't need to connect it. But what I want to do is turn on the product before I do use it. But before we do that, I do want to test out the audio to show you guys what it actually sounds like before and after. So I'm going to take this part out. And we guys test out the audio without it. So this is what the product sounds like when you guys use it without the actual microphone. Now I'm actually test it out with the microphone to show you guys what it actually sounds like. So if you guys plug it back in, take this part out and turn it on. Once you guys do that, then it's connected. And the way how I know is by the blue light right here. That shows that it's connected together. So you basically want to put it back on the cover. And then once you guys do that, then you're ready to start using it. So let's try it again, but this time using the microphone. Alright, so basically what you guys are listening to right now is the audio from the microphone right here. If you guys can hear what it sounds like, let's go listen to the difference and see what the difference is between this one versus the other one. Alright, so after listening to the audio of what it sounds like before and after using the microphone, you can definitely hear the difference on here. When you guys actually use the product, it definitely works pretty well, and it does give you guys a pretty good high quality audio. And when you guys use a wireless microphone with this accessory here, it makes it look so much more professional as well, which is pretty cool. So when you guys actually use the product, it does give you guys a pretty good grip. So that way when you guys are doing interview, you guys can grip it really easily. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product, Now to end the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality wireless microphone handle that is used for your Saramonic wireless microphone, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you really do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.